Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily enable call announcement feature on your iPhone device. Please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments. Let's get started. So, first let me tell you what the call announcement feature can be useful for. For example, in situations when someone calls you, but you can't go to the phone at the moment and see who is calling. If you have your hands full, if you're in the middle of something, and you can't come to the phone, then there's a call announcement feature, so that the phone will tell you or announce who's calling you. To enable this feature, we need to go into the phone settings. Here we scroll down until we find the phone setting. We go in, and here we see that we have Announce Calls. We press it. By default, it's disabled, but you can choose how you want to turn it on, in what mode. So here we have modes like turn it on when you're wearing headphones. You can also turn it on when you're wearing headphones and in the car, or you can have it always on, so that you can be told who's calling you every time. You can choose the function that you're comfortable with. After that, we'll exit and we'll see the changes, and then we log out and see this call announcement feature on your phone will be enabled. Hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to put likes, write comments, and until new meetings.